The second topic that we are going to be dealing with in Math 20-1 will be radical expressions. So radicals are these signs. It could be square roots. We could be dealing with cube roots, fourth roots, fifth roots. A radical expression is one where instead of just having numbers inside this radical, you're going to have expressions or equations. Now, in some cases, we'll actually be able to do something with them. So say x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 3 actually has a solution of, not minus 3, that should have been a minus 1, would get us to x minus 1. Because x minus 1 cubed is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1, and then we take the cube root of that. So some of these will have expressions or easy simplifications, others will not, and we'll be looking at the properties of these. What happens when you take the square root of a negative number? Well, you can't, which means once we have a radical expression here, the square root of x cubed, when we graph this, well, then we're going to have a restricted domain because the expression will not be valid when x is negative. So we're going to be exploring some simplifications and domain and range restrictions on radical expressions. Now remember, the difference between an expression and an equation is an equation has an equal sign. If you do not have an equation, if you do not have an equal sign, you do not have an equation. You only have an expression. You will not be able to solve for x. That will not be the goal. So once we're done simplifying, unless the x's actually cancel out, x will still be in the final answer. And that will be true anytime we're dealing with expressions and not equations.